Hi, I'm here with Dr. Nakul Rathi and our mini residency participants in Texas doing our clinical session. It's been a long day today. They've all treatment planned their cases, and we are here with some of the finest dentists in Texas learning the art and science of implant placement and restoration. We are in a wonderful facility here right in Houston. We want them to be competent and proficient in the field of implantology. The kind of instruction they've been getting has been world class, and we wish them very well in their career. So all the best, guys, and do the best you can.